Dr. Cindy. What is your Igbo name?
She's Cindy.
Wow. Dr. Mara, please, what is your Igbo name?
Amara.
Wow.
Amara's Grace. Amarachi. Yeah. God's grace. Yeah.
Enugu State Governor, His Excellency Mr. Peter Mbah, has just built one of the most modern, smart, government-owned primary secondary school in the whole of Southeast Nigeria. When I saw this school, I was very, very impressed because this is an upgrade to what we have in most of our government schools. I want you to watch the video and see the things for yourself. The level of modern facilities in this school is very, very impressive. Watch the video. This is Enugu Smart Green Schools. Watch the video and then see things for yourself. And let me know what you think concerning this school. Thank you.
Education is the cornerstone of a bright future, and Governor Dr. Peter Mbah has prioritized the advancement of smart schools equipped with cutting-edge technology. These innovative learning environments have empowered students to excel academically and develop crucial skills for the digital age.
I think we've also done something radical in the education sector, where we're doing a 260 smart schools. The idea of the 260 smart school is we mop up all the mushroom schools that existed and have all the kids who ordinarily would be going to those mushroom schools now go through the smart school. So for each ward, we'll have a smart school that has the capacity to take 1,000 students. And what that means is, in a ward where you actually have more than 1,000 students, we're actually more than happy to do a second smart school, and that's the plan. So we're also moving from classic way of learning to what we refer to now as an experiential learning. And again, this is outside what is recommended even by UNESCO. The recommendation is to have 9 years of free basic education. What we're doing in Enugu here is 12 years of free mandatory education. So from age 3, the child gets to go through nursery school, pre-primary 1, pre-primary 2. Then by the time they get to primary 1, they have access to a tablet. They go through their journey of elementary school.
Smart boards in the classroom and internet and 40 kVA solar power to run the school, and residential apartments for 40 teachers in the school, multimedia library, ICT center, innovation studio comprising of robotics, mechatronics, virtual reality, all of that. But it is smart because it is integrative of all of these solutions, designed to solve endemic problems in education underdevelopment in Enugu State.
This governor has set out a process and a model where end-to-end we're involved, the community is involved, stakeholders are involved to take ownership so teachers become part of the ecosystem and the community where they teach.
Hi friends, my name is Annie Precious Chama. I'm from Enugu State Smart Green School or campus. In our own school, as we are called smart, we have smart boards, and I also thank him for the meals that we are being fed, because in other schools, students and children worry about hunger, but as for us, we don't have to worry about that. I also want to thank him for transforming our dreams into reality. Thank you.
Firstly, our environment is one of the best environments in the whole wide world. As for me, our teachers teach us through the process of experiential learning, which means learning by doing. Thirdly, I would like to say about our tablets, which the governor made us to use, which we are now digital using them. We have 24 hours internet and solar, which we can use to explore and do any kind of things we want at the web.
The governor provides the school bus free for the students and free education that he has provided for us. I want to thank His Excellency the person that makes it possible for us to be in this wonderful smart environment. I think the school is incredibly amazing.
Your Excellency, you have always emphasized that education is the most important intervention program for development. Our smart school is equipped with state-of-the-art technology, free school uniforms, free textbooks.
A teacher can play a video about what he's teaching, prepare ahead of the class, whereby reducing paperwork, making the teaching so easy and making the learning so easy.
There is nowhere in the country you can get such a school owned by the government. The emphasis is owned by the government. The atmosphere here is like what we get outside the country, but it is here in Enugu. We are the pioneer school.
Please, Dr. Cindy, what is your Igbo name?
Cindy.
Wow. Dr. Mara, please, what is your Igbo name?
Amara.
Wow.
God's grace. Amarachi. Yeah. God's grace. Yeah.
Everything here works hand in hand. From here to there to there and comes back again. So, and whenever you use the wrong thing, it cannot happen. So it is only you or you authorize somebody to use your key to open your head and then
So our own is the voice control system that you can actually control from wherever you are. Maybe you step out or you off some of the devices, you can actually
in holding it for step. So instead of using the switch to turn off, you can use the voice using your phone to control the switches. This is not this way. It's about programmed that it's our own process. Different roles. Right, so we're going to make turn on the device now. Turn on the device now. The device did not get your message. Can you speak again? Turn on the device now. The device did not get your message. Can you speak again? Turn on the device now. The device. Did not get your message. Can you speak again?
I think the concept is
Turn off device 1.
Device 1 has been switched off.
Turn on device 3.
The device did not get your message. Can you speak again?
Turn on device 3.
A team of diplomats from around the world who are in Enugu State for a maiden educational conference are commending Governor Peter Mbah for developing what they call a model of experiential education. They believe this model serves as a prime example of the type of education needed across Africa at this time. The diplomats expressed this sentiment after an assessment tour of Enugu Smart School Award in Nkanu East Local Government area, one of the completed schools in the state initiative to construct 260 smart schools. Led by Chief Lumun Ahure, the Director General Global of the International Human Rights Commission, an international relief fund in special consultative status with the United Nations. The visiting diplomat recommended Enugu State Education Development Model to other Nigerian subnational government and the global community. They endorsed it as a robust framework to eradicate poverty, contain insecurity, and improve living standards.
Everyone should be proud of what's happening in Enugu State because, the concept of out-of-school children, the concept of school dropout, this concept of, children not having quality and standardized education, it's already an infringement on the rights of these children. So we need to do something about it beyond just advocacy.
Nous allons demander à nos autorités la reproduction.
To copy the model that we've seen here, the model of education that we have seen here that is based on digital. And we are going to propose to our leaders because we know that in Africa in general, especially in West Africa, East Africa, or even Africa as a whole, most of the schools have not yet adopted or integrated this digital education.
And I must say, going back to my country, Cameroon, it's something that we will have to have a one-on-one discussion with our state officials to see how we can copy this in our country back home and, educate our students and let them go move ahead with the trend.
Are you not impressed? Let me know what you think in the comment section. When you walk around the whole of the Southeast states, you can count just few schools owned by the government that has this level of facility. So this is a welcome development and an upgrade to what we already have. I'm very, very impressed. Congratulations to people of Enugu State.